Hey there, fabulous folks! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to staying young and strong? Let's dive into Imuregen's 7-step guide to delay the elements of aging and keep you vibrant, regardless of your age. Step 1. Nourish your body right. As we hit our 40s, it's crucial to fuel our bodies with the right nutrients. Imuregen's blend of exogenous dietary nucleotides, 17 amino acids, and peptides work wonders in supporting DNA and RNA function. This means better cell repair, recovery, and regeneration. Step 2. Stay active. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Regular physical activity can help maintain muscle mass, improve flexibility, and boost your mood. Plus, it keeps those pesky aging elements at bay. Step 3. Embrace cognitive health. By the time we reach our 60s, cognitive health becomes a top priority. Imuregen, combined with oyster mushrooms and fulvic acid with 72 trace minerals, supports cognitive sustainability and strong immunity. Stay sharp, stay smart. Step 4. Prioritize sleep quality. Sleep is your body's natural repair mechanism. Ensure you're getting enough rest to rejuvenate your cells and wake up feeling refreshed. Imuregen can aid in promoting better sleep patterns for a more rested you. Step 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress accelerates aging. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or simply take time to unwind. A calm mind equals a youthful spirit. Step 6. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is life. Staying hydrated keeps your skin glowing and organs functioning optimally. Pair your hydration with Imuregen to enhance nutrient absorption and overall wellness. Step 7. Join the Forever Healthy Products Affiliate Program. Yes, staying young can also be about smart choices. Imuregen offers an opportunity to not only take care of your health, but also your wealth. Through the Forever Healthy Products Affiliate Program, you can get your Imuregen eventually for free from your affiliate commissions. Easy, simple, and very fulfilling. Remember, folks, prevention is always better than cure. Get your affiliate link from the person who shared this video and start your journey towards a youthful, vibrant life. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, and most importantly, stay young with Imuregen. Thanks for watching.